The Honor 600 series phones will launch in the global market on April 23. The lineup will consist of two models: the standard Honor 600 and the high-end Honor 600 Pro. Honor 600 Pro renders show an iPhone 17 Pro-like horizontal camera bar and orange color option, featuring a metal frame and a glass back. Probably refers to a dedicated AI button on the side. The predecessor Honor 500 series looks similar to the iPhone Air. Honor 600 and 600 Pro prices leak: €604.90 for the Honor 600 with 256 GB of storage, €651.89 for the one with 512 GB of storage, and €930.90 for the 600 Pro, which only comes with 512 GB of storage apparently. New smartphone featuring a 6.57-inch display with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The leak suggests that the device may pack a significantly larger battery, potentially reaching around 9,000 mAh capacity. With 80W charging support, the device also offered a 50-megapixel front camera and a dual rear camera system comprising a 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The Honor 600 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset and come with 8GB RAM along with 256GB or 512GB storage options. The Honor 600 is expected to start at around €400. The Honor 600 series could debut as early as June this year in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.